hey, let's put a chicken to sleep. And you put it to sleep and you lay it down and you'd be like, oh my gosh, the chicken's actually sleeping and stuff like that. And I always try to think of different ways of making different content and stuff like that. And I have chickens now. So I was like, I had thought about that and I was like, you know what? Maybe I should share to people how to put a chicken to sleep. A lot of people are wondering, why would you want to do it? Uh, like, I don't see like it's basically just for fun. It doesn't hurt the chicken in any way. It's not abuse or anything like that. Video got over 4.5 million views, which was amazing.